Ever wondered what those vibrant, glowing signs are really made of? Neon. It's everywhere, from classic diner signs to modern cityscapes. But is this dazzling display of light actually good for us? Neon, the element, is a noble gas. It's naturally colorless, but when electricity is passed through it, it emits a brilliant, characteristic glow. This phenomenon, discovered by French chemist Georges Claude in the early 1900s, revolutionized advertising and has since become synonymous with vibrant, eye-catching displays. Now, let's dive into the potential benefits of neon. Aesthetic appeal. Neon signs are undeniably captivating. They add a unique charm and character to any space, whether it's a bustling city street or a cozy local bar. This visual appeal can contribute to a more vibrant and engaging urban environment. Energy efficiency. Compared to some traditional lighting options, neon lights can be relatively energy efficient. Modern neon technologies often incorporate LEDs, which are known for their low energy consumption. Durability. Neon signs are surprisingly durable. With proper maintenance, they can last for decades, making them a long-term investment. This longevity reduces the environmental impact associated with frequent replacements. However, there are also some potential concerns to consider. Environmental impact. Manufacturing. The production of neon can have environmental impacts, particularly in terms of energy consumption and potential emissions. Disposal. Improper disposal of neon signs can release harmful substances into the environment. Health concerns. Ozone depletion. Some older neon signs may contain compounds that contribute to ozone depletion. Blue light emission. While research is ongoing, some studies have suggested that blue light emitted by certain types of lighting, including some LEDs, may have potential negative impacts on sleep patterns and eye health. Let's address some common misconceptions. Radioactivity. Neon itself is not radioactive. High voltage danger. While neon signs operate at high voltages, modern designs incorporate safety features to minimize the risk of electric shock. So, is neon good for humans? The answer is nuanced. When used responsibly and with consideration for environmental and health factors, neon can be a valuable asset. Modern technologies and responsible manufacturing practices are crucial to minimizing the potential negative impacts. As consumers, we can play a role by supporting businesses that prioritize sustainable practices and use energy-efficient lighting options. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.